Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rickens, aka Rickens. And today I'm going to be going over my skincare routine. As of late, a few people have been asking me like what I do for my skin. They've been watching the videos that I posted and they're like, oh my god, like your skin looks good. So
okay, and
I was like, you know what? I'll just make a video about it. So I already washed my face and I did a face mask off camera. The face mask that I used was the turmeric and cranberry seed energizing radiance mask from Kiehl's. This is probably one of my favorite masks that I've ever used. I always have this on hand. Like whenever my face needs like a pick-me-up, this is what I reach for. I'm always trying new and different masks, but this is always like my go-to pick-me-up. Like I love this thing. This is big. And then the cleanser that I used was the Total Cleanser by Fenty Skin. I'll link it down below if you guys hear either. So, all right, let's get into it. So the first product I'm using is going to be the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pure Tight Toner. I actually really enjoyed this. Like it does shrink down your pores very much. And you don't need a cotton swab or anything. I just do like 4 dabs of it. Follow the flow of the face, alright? And it is safe enough to put it on your neck too, which is one thing that I absolutely love about this product. Like, there's no witch hazel in this. At least I don't believe there is, which is why it doesn't burn or anything. Like, this, I actually genuinely do really like this. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, also by Glow Recipe. Most of these products are by Glow Recipe, just a heads up. So, I'll leave everything down below because I don't think it's focusing. I can't see, so I'm blind. So, you know, not blind, but like, I do wear glasses, so if I can't.
Clap if you care. All right, let's move on.
Doesn't matter. Hold on. This mist is fire. Like this is also one thing that I always have on hand. Like, to be honest with you, this is more moisturizing than I thought it was gonna be. Like sometimes I spray this on my face and I don't do anything else and my face is fine. And I've never had that happen with a face mist before. Like I love this product. Like if I don't feel like going through the motions, because like honestly, this is a lot of steps for a routine, but sometimes I literally just spray this and I will be fine for a while. So I highly recommend this face mist for real. So this is from, oh, the label's gone.
what an embarrassment.
This is from Tatcha. This is the Serum stick. So it looks like a little like lipstick canister, but then you turn it up and then there's the serum. I love this thing. It is expensive. It's very expensive, actually. But I highly enjoy this and I do highly recommend it. So what I do is I just put it in my eye, not in my eye, but like around my eye area, because it's very thick and it stays like moisturizing for a while. So I just put it on my lines on my forehead because, you know, it's just getting old, you know, and I'll give you like a little bit of a boom and a boom, right?
What?
So, quick hack for like people who, like if you don't feel like really doing your makeup or anything, like, and you want like a fake highlight, this is really good for that, which is why I put it like here, 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 and then at the end I put it on my cheeks. So I will show you that. So and this is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Hyaluronic acid is probably one of the most moisturizing things that you can put in your face. So I definitely, if you don't have a hyaluronic acid or serum in your regimen, get one, because honestly, you need it. Glow Recipe is one of those brands I love the look of it. The products work, I love the look. You know, they make my skin, like the products just make my skin shine. And you can probably see it already, like, I love these freaking products. This is their banana cream, like face cream. I'll show you in a second, I forgot to put it up. Also, keep in mind, like, you do not need to do all of these steps. One thing that I learned with Fenty Skin was that I don't mind not do, I love doing 3 steps. You know what I mean? And I'll get into that like once I review those products, but for those of you who don't want a really long routine, Fenty Skin is it, except unless, oh my God, what am I doing? I'm rushing, hold on. So this is the banana, oh sorry, I lied. This is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. And this is what it looks like. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. And then this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. I also love these. Like, if you need a quick glow up on your face, these will get you right. The thing about Glow Recipe is that, like, I love their packaging, and the fact that their products work, like, is another reason why I don't mind spending my money. Like, they're not expensive, but like I eat their stuff up. Like, I love almost every single one of their products. I think there's only one, no, there are 2 products I don't like from the recipe. And with the Dew Drops, you literally only need 1 pump because it gives you a lot offhand. So make sure, do not forget your neck, guys, okay? Because your neck needs love too. You know, pull the skin up, train it. Okay, no saggy skin over here, okay, okay?
Okay.
And then last but not least, let me show it to you first, is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. I love their avocado products. Both of their stuff are for the nighttime, but they do say that you can use this during the day, so I do. I've heard some controversial stuff about retinol. I will look into it because, I don't know, I've heard some people say to stop using retinol, and I don't know why. So I'm gonna look it up because I want to be informed on why I shouldn't be using something that makes me look beautiful. Okay? Yes, beautiful. Men can be beautiful.
No, let me say something.
Let it take that much, and I just dab it around my eyes. Last but not least, actually 2 more steps. Be right back. Jade roller. I love this thing. Like, I have a skincare fridge, which I'll probably put in another video. But if you don't have a skincare fridge, honestly, just get one. Because they are the best. Oh, you know what I should have done first? That's fine. I forgot to put the serum stick on my cheeks. But yeah, the jade rollers are good because it helps with inflammation in the skin, especially if you leave it in the fridge. And also it just helps for the products to like sink into your skin, and then if it's cold, it does close up your pores. So last but not least, lip balm. So I have 2. This is the Glow Recipe Lip Pop. And then this is the Kiehl's Facial Fuel No Shine Moisturizing Lip Balm. I really like both of these. I think I like this one a little bit better, only because this has like little beads in it or whatever. I don't know if you can see it. No, you definitely can't see it. But this has like little beads in it, so it's like a moisturizing lip balm as well as an exfoliant. So it just keeps your lips really soft. The only thing that I don't like about this is that it looks like lipstick.
Why? Why not? Why though?
That's really it. And if you use too much of it, I believe it leaves a tint on your lips. So it depends on how comfortable you are with having something like this, especially if you're a guy. Like, it literally looks like lipstick. So, and I knew that, but they also had a picture of a guy wearing it on the website, so I was like, you know what, whatever, fuck it. Like, it's fine. But if you are not comfortable with that, I do suggest this, the Kiehl's one. It is really good. I'm just gonna use this one only because like today's kind of like a self-care day for me, so I'm just gonna put it on. And honestly, this is the watermelon one. They have a watermelon one and a blueberry one. The watermelon one, well, they're both extremely moisturizing as well as exfoliating. So I mean, if you're staying home, cool. Like, there have been times where I'm like, should I bring this out? Like, I don't, but it's good and I like it. So I was like, you know what? Who cares? Who's gonna check me? Nobody. Literally nobody. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's lip balm. You're really gonna check me over lip balm? Get out of my face. You know? So that's pretty much it. Actually, you know what? Just because I really want to, I'm putting on the serum stick on the cheeks, you know? Give myself a little bit of an extra shine. Yeah, so if you want a little bit of a, you already see it, you already see it. My cheekbones are like in your face. They're about to stab you, okay? They look sharp, all right? So literally, quick hack, if you don't want to wear, what's it called? Oh no, if you don't want to wear highlighter, if you don't feel like putting up with the highlighter, like literally the serum stick, cheeks, bow bow, that's on. Like your cheekbones will be glistening, okay? I feel real black right now. Skin is glowing. And that's the thing, like Glow Recipe will literally genuinely leave your skin glowing. I love Glow Recipe, period. Kiehl's used to be my #1 favorite skincare brand, and then quarantine happened, life happened, and I was like, I need to find something a little bit cheaper that can still maintain my skin. And like Glow Recipe, this wasn't even supposed to be a Glow Recipe review, but Glow Recipe really came through because like you can see it. Like, look at my cheekbones. Are you serious? I barely even have cheekbones. I just smile a lot. Like, you know what I mean? Like, my skin looks so good. It just looks good. Like,
What is that?
anyways. But anyways, that's the end of my video. That is my morning skincare routine. I will probably do a nighttime one just because, just to like give you a day and a night. And my nighttime skin routine is also a lot simpler than this, because this was like, how many steps is this? It is 9 steps of a morning routine. And I understand, like, a lot of people don't want to do that, and I get it. I literally get it. And also, a lot of it just has to do with like me spending money that I don't need to be spending on things that I don't really need. Like, okay, if I had to like do a quick routine, it would be the cleanser, obviously, this, this, and this. So that's what, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so like I could do it in 4 steps, but like the extra 5, I mean, you know what? The extra 5 probably are not the, oh, actually, I guess 6 if you count lips as a step, then it's 9. If you don't, then it's 8. So you could do it in less. Like there are products and brands that do it in less, like Fenty Skin. You can do your whole morning routine in 3 steps because every item is a double. But I don't know, I like to put in the work. It's therapeutic for me. You're catering to yourself. You know, it's just, I don't know, you're spending time with yourself. You're making yourself feel good, you know? So why not take the steps, you know? So anyway, that is my skincare routine. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those YouTube things, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.